Here is how to review your drafts on WordPress step by step. First, log into your WordPress dashboard at yoursite.com/wp/admin. From the left sidebar, click on Posts or Pages depending on what you're reviewing. At the top, click the Drafts Filter tab to only see unpublished content. Now you'll see a list of all saved drafts. Click on any draft title to open it in the editor. From here, you can review the content, check for spelling or formatting issues, and make edits as needed. To preview how it looks live, click the Preview button at the top right. It'll open a read-only version in a new tab. You can also check the post settings on the right side to review categories, tags, and publish date. When you're ready to publish, click Publish or just hit Save Draft if you're not finished yet. And that's how to review and manage your drafts in WordPress. Fast, easy, and perfect for keeping your site organized. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.